Andra ka nungu yaka. O sa mbula ke murere o revi kuna noa. Sa mbula on roko dhangi ngo yango tha. O te mate? Ha? Iya. Tomu, ulamina ka brother. Sino ka may na Vegas? Come on, this will be the different Vegas of all Vegas. It's the totally different one because it will be a tremendous, outspoken, corresponding narration. Oh, nakabangan na video ko. Ito bi pambulang nga bir na chikuminakor. Doon mo nang nung tuminakor. To zakataka tu na tachiraw. Go kinta kambata ki bangui na bindelana. Klabi batu. Sa musu may na chiraw. O bigim sing kan chir na ngasaw. Sa musu may na ngasaw. Gay besu min doon namin bukilew. Do sarang bukilew. Besu min asara. Go dolo sumay. Dolo may. Ni tumbali may da kaira. Ado mira. Utsara numpawa. Suka bango na dakadak. Gawara ka tu na mara ni na sing ni bisu mi na weekend Clarani, sa kuwa na take me out for lunch bango. You know, sometimes you have to say to yourself, it's really hard being neglected and being pushed around by your tao. Clarani, au dona kanungu wana numiko chiko na vida na sinango. Au klanan dendre kustava chiko. Roma ni kusakana badha, modi badha, dabo badha, dabo dha. Go vi tambo chinga merede me bonwa. Yere be klachu na daba manda daka buchiku me America. Watson tambua. Go sarana daka daka. Dandambe tu wanambuka singani me mamada. Dambi tu ngatu mambuka tu. Sanga waraka tu me daba na singa. Sangin doon na sa kuko sa dawawali. At nga may biso mitiyan. Bili kami saw. Sa mundo kila. Sinibito ko na saranga. Nakangawi ka bitim ni. Sa bunulim din ng Amerika. Harakaira. The land of the freedom and the home of the brave. Kung dami sa tungango. Wambulot ka ni Ratu. Muli binaka Mr. Nebolurua, Mr. Nebolurua, gondo na mata kalilibin na kango. Ang suka may na job na no. Sa tukun may biyaw. Lako may na message. If you're free tomorrow, can you come and do some housework for me? Give sareo. Oh sure, why kuwa? Coming soon. I'll be there. Gondo go job ngayon mo may pamamata ka ng buka. Bundo na job to me bitya. Oli turun kami ng buka buno tubutukin niya ako tamay may mamada may buno dilo tukin na singa. Au sangay. Oh wambula manda be sabi na darabono. Inita kineta ko na land of the pringori. Denge wele. Iro na sar tumay. Sam tonto. Yo gomo tuban ng buka. Isini tuba Italia. Isang mandangan ni tuba babinaka. Num tubana mo va menea. Oh, good morning, Mabel. Mo va menea. Like a little baby you carry it on your arm and you rock challenge it till it turn to tandrakahani. From rock challenging it will turn to dream come true. Oh, I hope what? Really? No, that's not a job. Oh, tu buka tak tunggu. Me mama dalam buka betul ni bong batang winter. Na baba lagi ni batang na winter. Baba lagi ni batang. I spell winter. Ang spell takan na winter, ang kaya pakasama takan ni lewikin ni sinkalatu, yung nang badi spell takan ni nalikop tikyaw, rautu kinomunitalan no. Ngumbula binaka chikina sabi naka, sana mga bosangan di ba do Aloha. Woo. Yo. Reida. Mo warta ka bike muni. Kona spider ko kachinganga. O reida sartungango. Pina kata muni reida. Muni banding ng dinataka. Ko ya wanga ni linga chikina. Bike muni ndo rongo tu na spider. Ko saranga na spider ngo. Ko kachi Spider-Man. Ko babu na kina. Me awa mo ulwa tong ganina. Meli Spider-Man tu kino spider o pitapaka. Ko ni reida. Ko saranga na buno banga ni linga chikina. Na reida pa malwa. Tabi me toso ko saranga ko kachi pitapaka babu na tukina na Spider-Man ko ya na gani spider go na reactive spider ko ngo karuangan yo kanan renga chiko ko kachi ngabandu agalinji baono go borida me toso go. This is the most deadly spider. That's the most deadly spider. Can you see? Never mess around with it. Betul nunggu mon na spider, sandro na alvin spider. Masana para takangan kini bikin ni. Kilo friend binaka. Hindi to koloma. Usun tu cuma tengok yo. Hindi to ko malu ni ko ya. Amor bare de bikin ni ya. Ya, kalau lo tadi betul ko ya. Gosara ko kachi pitapaka ko liadan kino Spider-Man. It's a very dangerous spider that makes other spider look spidery. It's so violent and it's so ecosystemic. It was a tremendous experience for the Fiji Sevens team to compliment on anybody's attitude that face negativity in the society of corresponding to anybody. So the good thing about this, while we're talking right now, all I want you guys to know, there is nothing hard in this world. And there's nothing not hard too in this world. And there's nothing hard and not hard. There is something hard and there is something is not hard in this world. All you have to do is to believe it and accept it and have faith and eat a lot of vegetables because it's good for your immune system that can multiply your children and your children's children and your children's children's children's. Today was a wonderful surprise. It's a wonderful surprise of a beautiful morning. Who said that this morning will be like any other morning? Okay? Who said that? This morning is totally different from any other morning because it is a beautiful morning. But if there's any other morning is more beautiful than this morning, then this morning is not beautiful anymore like any other morning. But that morning is going to take over. Yeah. You don't have to care about anybody. You don't have to care about yourself. Just focus your attitude and respect your gravity that concentrate on your multiracial of having children. Also, I'm going to go wasn't having children because I want another baby. So, wrong to have a Maramanita, if Maramanita said to have another baby, I would say, yes, please, I would have. I want everybody to know that this year will be different from any other year. This is the year of prosper. This is the year of focus to the right attitude for any person. I'm scared of the spider now. This spider looks so spidering. Iyo sa we var tachinga no we una bunungu we video kinongo beto we kachinga re tu minakor kona daka tu basikiau kina na tachira tu basikiau tu di demuri tu kalaktani kona sini sel no mo $20 per day ke so tu $20 dona bon dona singa tachira tu yango mai tu bambuka tungo wango Kona thola na oda na mbuno takatia. Ko sa karuna ni havonga ke mendonga ke TV. Musar TV tu nga utu bambuka tu. O veta no tanga valen sa bula tsumina ni zavana tame gona doni na kokula games. O vetu kuna nga vale vikem ni na klabe na nungu ya the Watson me England. Nungu a sprinter tu ni kurvuli. Iyo. Maramonita tell you dead, I'm gonna punch him. I only murdered in Lambasa, don't want to come murdered in America. Tell you dead, I'm gonna punch you dead. Yeah? Stop making jokes and having fun of me. I was the sprinter in high school. I was so fast that I make the fastest person not fast because I went like this beside him. Phew! Like a speedy Gonzalo. Beep, beep, phew! It was so fast. Yeah. Yeah.